Our invention, FluShield, is an antiviral chicken feed additive. The key ingredient to our additive is Flu, a natural plant-based protein that has strong antiviral effects.
I grew up spending many summers on my grandparents' farm in China, where I built a connection with not only the crops, but also the chickens, ducks, and geese. So when the avian flu broke out in the US last year, sending egg prices skyrocketing to 300% of their usual price, I connected that with my friend Amy's research and decided that we can do something.
I love inventing because inventing to me is about changing the status quo. There are many problems long existed and often neglected when people think about technical innovations, like in the case of poultry industry. The reason why we embarked on the journey of AviSafe is to tackle these long-awaited problems with our innovation, creating better lives for poultry growers and making our contribution to better food security.